You.
Man, them want to see me naked, even though I'm overweighted. Rich man make me stimulated, gun man make me lubricated. No get me aggravated. Bullet on me fire fatter than a fucking elephant. True me sing the gun song, them a tell me that they're relevant. But while me have to express myself like a criminal. Try this and me make the bat float like pelican. And everybody know what I'm.
Amazing. And it's what we drink every day, y'all. Oh my god. That shit is so good. It is so good. I can't even hear myself because I do playing this music mad out of my ear. Which is not his fault. I mean, he in the car or whatever, like, so it's whatever, but yeah. So, yeah, so we're eating shrimp Alfredo, fettuccine noodles, my favorite, other than elbows, but that's with macaroni and cheese, period. And this, I have well,
It has to be, it's not mine. I didn't bring any water. I didn't even open it water. You was drinking water this morning.
yeah, probably then.
See, that's how I'm asking for your water out there, so.
So fucking good. It is. Oh, cause this help. It's 1:32, and this is my first time eating all day. I already tried drinking this, but I like these because it got 0 sugar with vitamins and antioxidants. Y'all know I love my skin, so I be sipping that. We doing that. This shit is bomb. And now I see what my little cousin was talking about, because the way we just went to Applebee's and they shit was not hitting like this. So my little cousin was like, we tried to get her to order something nice and fancy and whatever, right? So she like, what? No, I don't want to eat here because if my mother didn't make it, I'm not eating it. I don't like it. She only like her mother pasta. So now her mother made me some pasta, and now I'm like, yeah, because we wasted our fucking money at Applebee's. Did y'all see that? I almost drooled. Like couldn't even get the word out. So as y'all seen, sometimes it's like, yeah, it's popping to go to restaurants, but it's okay to cook at home, especially when you know you can cook better than the restaurant you're going to. Like, okay, you doing it for clout? What? It's not that same. Oh man, guys, got about outside tonight. You know you dance when you eat. Fat. But y'all see, I'm almost done. Let me check something real quick. Okay. So, thank y'all for watching my channel. Subscribe to the channel. You know, every comment you shoot enters you a chance to win. But you have something for drinking on. Okay.
You don't know nobody else? Eh?
Welcome. She's on the phone.
Where's it?
I say a week and maybe I'm the nasty pasta that I blood for Applebee's and you can't cook so good. I'm cursing my cousin out for let's eat the
Yeah. Susan, yeah.
Now, we need that with Corona going and go back on the baby.
So your passport, you left it, on the me know you're private.
Hello? Okay, I'm eating, babe. I just eating.
No more for the whole.
You about to get that sexy body all wet. Huh? Wow. Exactly. Oh God. Faneet Daddy, thank you for watching. I was on my burn. Peace. He's a hater. Y'all like my nails, y'all? Do y'all want me to start doing videos? Me getting my nails done? Ooh, excuse me, y'all. Thank you for watching. Hey, y'all. Congratulations. I definitely think you won this giveaway, but sorry about that. I've been.
No get me aggravated.